Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great coupe in our collection. A pre-owned 1999 Porsche Boxster. This Porsche is powered by rear-wheel drive 6-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 73,594 miles. Unleash your driving passion with this classic 1999 Porsche Boxster. Experience timeless style, exhilarating performance, and top-down thrills. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. Drive your dream today. This pre-owned Boxster comes with many comfort and luxury, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, power driver's seat, climate control. Safety was put first by the following features: ABS brakes, scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.